Japan's space mega project. Imagine a world where space travel is as simple as taking a train. Japan is working on a futuristic mega project that could change the way we explore the universe forever. Curious? Let's dive in. Japan has always been a leader in innovation and technology, and now they're aiming for the stars, literally. Their latest endeavor is a space mega project that could revolutionize how humanity explores space. From building moon bases to creating a space elevator, Japan is turning science fiction into science fact. Think of this. What if you didn't need rockets to reach space? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not for Japan. 1. Space elevator technology. Japan's engineers are working on the groundbreaking space elevator, a system that could connect Earth directly to space. No more costly rockets. This elevator will make space travel 99% cheaper and more accessible. It's like a highway to the cosmos. Imagine stepping into an elevator and stepping out into space. Mind-blowing, isn't it? 2. Moon base construction. Japan plans to build a permanent moon base, a home away from home for astronauts. Using 3D printing and moon dust, regolith, they'll construct structures designed to withstand the harsh lunar environment. Solar energy will power the base, making it a self-sustaining marvel. A city on the moon? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but Japan is making it real. 3. Advanced space robotics. Japan's top companies like JAXA and Toyota are creating high-tech robots to explore the moon's surface. These robots will map resources, assist astronauts, and even help build the moon base. They're designed to operate in extreme conditions, making exploration safer and faster. 4. Lunar energy harvesting. Japan is exploring the potential of harvesting helium-3 from the moon. Helium-3 could become the ultimate clean energy source for Earth, solving our energy crisis for generations. If successful, this project could power entire cities. A limitless energy source from the moon, that's not just futuristic, it's revolutionary. Future vision. Japan's project doesn't stop at the moon. It's setting the stage for future missions to Mars and beyond. Plus, they're looking to make space tourism a reality. Imagine booking a vacation to the stars. Japan is making it possible. Can you picture yourself vacationing in space? Thanks to Japan, that dream might be closer than you think. Japan's space mega project isn't just about technology, it's about reimagining what humanity can achieve. With their vision, space might just become the next big frontier for exploration, tourism, and even living. Excited about the future of space travel? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, stay luxurious.